Hi dear, today I'm happy to share with you my recipe of chia seeds cream. It's vegan and gluten-free. So for 6 yogurt pots, I need 6 glass jars, half a liter of almond, oat or coconut vegetable milk, 4 tablespoons of chia seeds. I know many people say Chia, but I say Chia because in botanical I've been taught like this. 3 tablespoons of coconut sugar, vanilla extract, cinnamon, half an organic lemon or lime, half a teaspoon of agar-agar, which is organic gelling vegan agent, and I'm ready to go. So I need to boil this half liter of almond milk or whatever vegetable milk you like. It works with everything. Plus the 4 tablespoons of chia seeds, plus the 3 tablespoons of coconut sugar, the vanilla extract, and the cinnamon. This takes me a little more than 5 minutes. We need to see it bubbling. Then I set the heating medium and I grate the skin of half a lemon or lime on a Parmesan grater, for instance. And I stir in agar-agar, the gelling agent. And I stir like this a couple minutes. Now before I put into the jars, I let cool down 5 minutes. Then I pour into my jars and I let cool again. I'd say at least half an hour before I refrigerate for a few hours before eating. I can also eat them during 3 days, including in the evening without even weight gain because it's vegetal, a very low glycemic index. So I like this recipe for any moment of the day, any little hunger. And by the way, I never eat the chia seeds dry in order to benefit from the great nutrients for my body, like omega-3, vitamins, antioxidants. I hope you will like this recipe as much as I do. And it was very easy for me to replace the dairy with this kind of healthier recipe. Enjoy!